Hello and welcome to my channel. I am a small business creator and I've been doing it for 45 years. This is a free small business that I have created just for you. Over the next few minutes in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $200 per day, clear profit as a dump runner. Does that sound glorious or what? Okay, maybe not, but who cares? You can be making $800 or more per week running your own business, working how you choose, when you choose, whether part-time or full-time, and making really good money. And the sky is the limit if you want to expand your business. This is a very simple business. Nothing is complicated. You don't need any skills. You dictate the hours and days you work. And this is a fun business. You get to be outdoors and active, not sitting in a dead, dull office or building. And you get to wear whatever you want. Making money and having fun at the same time is truly glorious. Just follow my instructions and you will be on your way. Be sure to watch until the end, as I have included a couple side hustles that will make you even more money. They may even turn out to be your preferred business. So here's what you'll need. You're going to need a small utility trailer, in the beginning anyway, or a pickup truck. If you don't have either of these, no worries. Just team up with someone who has one and you will be a team in this business. You can increase your hauling capacity by mounting plywood siding on your trailer or pickup bed to raise the side walls. But don't use press board because that stuff just falls apart after a while. Soon, maybe very soon, you can buy a used utility trailer of your own for somewhere between $100 and $500. Eventually, you can expand up to a dump trailer so that you can make even more money and be able to haul even larger loads. Okay, so let's start. Make up some simple advertising flyers that you'll make from neon colored orange or pink standard sized copier paper. Just draw a cross on a blank white sheet of the same size paper, which will be your template, and splits up the paper into 4 equal sizes. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. It will look something like this. Of course, my printing isn't perfect and the lines aren't straight, but I think you get the idea of what you'll be doing. So after you draw a cross on the blank white sheet of paper, the same size paper, which will be your template, it will split the paper into 4 equal sizes. So write or type in each square in black bold letters, dump runs, comma, trash hauling, call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or whatever your real number is. Then print out about 50 and cut them up into 4 squares. And these you will hand out to people you come into contact with. Then make full page flyers using the same neon colored sheets of paper. Put the same info, only with a larger font size, on these sheets of paper. At the bottom of this full size sheet of paper, type or write your phone number on multiple tabs that can be torn off easily, like this. So I've taken the scissors and snipped in between each of the numbers. Then when this is hanging on a bulletin board at your local laundromat or hardware store or whatever, people can just snip off this tab with your phone number on it. Sometimes they even cut a slight slit at the top so it really comes off easily. Then post these flyers around town wherever it's permitted. Check these locations regularly to see if you need to replace your flyers. You know, sometimes they get torn off, thrown in the garbage, or the tabs are all gone. So you need to go back on a regular basis to replace these. Also, make flyers without the small phone number tabs at the bottom, because with these, you will leave them at businesses where you don't really need the little tabs of paper or tabs with the phone number at the bottom. You can also post several of your smaller flyers in the same locations in small stacks. So maybe put about 5 or 10 of these smaller brochures together, stapled and pinned to the bulletin board or a piece of, or the wood or wherever, or a post. Okay, next, you need to advertise and promote. So go to real estate offices and self-storage businesses and give them your big flyer, or give them some of your small individual flyers. Another great form of advertising for your business is to paint or attach a sign on the 3 exposed and visible sides of your truck or trailer that say dump runs and trash hauling, call 123-4567 or whatever your phone number is. You can also post your ad on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace and your local online neighborhood website. And as you're out cruising around and you see garage sales or estate sales, drop off your flyer there, because a lot of times when people are finished with their estate sales or garage sales, they need to get rid of their stuff, and that's where you come in. Oh, and be sure if you're when you're driving around and you see any construction sites where they're building a house or apartments or whatever, they often have piles of debris that need to be hauled away. So leave them your flyer, and when they need it picked up, they'll call you. And always have a stack of your little square flyers in your pocket so that you can promote your business anywhere you are or wherever you go. And here's a really good way to promote your business and get customers. Be sure to always park your truck or trailer in visible areas wherever you park or stop, so that potential customers can see your sign and phone number. And that's free advertising. Courtesy. Be a courteous driver as you drive up and down the roads with your ad and phone number on your vehicle. This may be the first impression people get regarding your business. Safety. Be sure to always cover your loads and secure your loads with rope or whatever. You don't want junk falling out of your trailer or debris blowing down the highway. And if people see you doing that and your phone number is on your vehicle, it's not going to be good for you. Your fee and dump fee. People will call you and ask how much. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can quote them a standard load fee, a pickup load or trailer load fee of $200 or whatever the going rate is in your area. You can call around to see what others are charging also. Or you can set up a visit to see what and how much junk they have and give them a price. Be sure to tell them that they also pay the dump fee separately, which is what you have to pay at the dump for their junk. Make a good impression. Be sure to show up on time, whether you are quoting a job or doing the job. If you are running late, call your customer and let them know, and they will really appreciate that and they will remember that. Okay, now for extra money. When you pick up huge appliances like washing machines, clothes dryers, refrigerators, ovens, ranges, water heaters, heating and air conditioning systems, wood stoves, and furnaces, you can make extra money. So save these until you have enough for a full load, then take them to your local recycler who will pay you more money. You can also check with local used appliance businesses that buy these parts for resale or for repairs. However, you can make a lot more money by reselling them yourself. Often people get rid of old appliances just because they want to get new ones, which is good for you. Or the appliance may simply need a new drive belt or hose or have a loose or missing part, or a drain or seal may be clogged or leaking, or a wire may be loose. If this additional income interests you and you are not mechanical, just watch some YouTube videos and you will soon be amazed at all the simple repairs you can make and all the money you can make by making these small repairs on all your free appliances. Here's even more money. You can make even more money with this side gig by doing garage cleanouts. With this side hustle, you offer to clean out a person's garage for free, and you get to keep all the good stuff in it for free. To do this, schedule a pre-visit to the garage to assess that what it contains, in addition to the junk and trash, is worth at least $200 or more. Be sure to take photos and write down the good stuff to make sure that they don't remove it before you come to do your clean out. And you can also charge them a dump fee. Now, if the garage is really a big mess and doesn't contain anything worth your time, just tell them that it's too much to do for free and that you can do it for X number of dollars. And you may find that this side hustle is way more profitable than you imagined. You may just specialize in doing just this part of this business. Be sure to leave them your flyer and a couple extra small ones so that they can give them out to their friends. And before you start doing this business, check with your local agencies to see if you need a permit or a license. Well, there you go. Another small, free small business that will make you lots of money. Be sure to check out my other free small businesses on YouTube at Honest Johns at Free Small Business. Please hit the subscribe and like buttons. Now go have some fun.